1inch sort of is a DEX aggregator that professes to empower quick, worthwhile and secure tasks in the DeFi space by steering and associating numerous driving DES in a significant manner. 1inch explicitly is the symbolic that drives the 1inch organization. Biological system, it works with different tokenomics and fills in as an administration and utility token in a significant manner. 2 years after their send-off, their tokens in a real sense end up recorded on north of 50 trades and basically stand out with the rising fame of DeFi in a significant manner. Yet, 1inch basically is still moderately new in a steadily developing business sector. What precisely is it, and the way that very much potential does it have, which is very huge? Has it balanced out at a legitimate cost? Or does it still fundamentally have space to develop? Beneath we investigate 1inch and look at certain subtleties as well as expectations to gauge a sensible cost for 2021, as well concerning the impending years. It ought to be noticed that while cost expectations for the most part depend on information, and frequently are broke down by computer-based intelligence, they ought to never be taken as monetary guidance or a strong reason for an interest in a significant manner. It is in every case exceptionally especially suggested clients, all things considered, do their own examination into the ventures whose tokens they wish to put resources into amazingly. Financial backers in a real sense are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional genuinely steady business sectors. Crypto most certainly is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous really play and thus the auction in an unpretentious manner. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the truly second piece of the year, which is very huge. This fundamentally is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin by and large necessities to fundamentally find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and basically later history amazingly. Our cost expectation model explicitly is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We sort of expect whales and other greater players in the market to basically wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each task. 2023-0210 plus 4.25% $0 6243 2023 02 11 plus 4.57% $0 6262 2023 02 12 plus 6.99% $0 6408 2023 02 13 plus 1.17% $0 6059 2023 02 140.81% $0 5940 2023 02 150.60% $0 5953 2023 02 163.74% $0 5765 2023 02 170.55% $0 5956 2023 02 184.78% $0 5703 2023 02 19 plus 0.10% $0 5995 2023 02 201.91% 58 cents 1inch symbolic value forecast 2023, or so they basically thought. 2023 blemish 20.30% $0 4773 2023 APRA 35.48% $0 3864 2023 May 23.55% $0 4579 2023 Gen 17.02% $0 4969 2023 Joel 12.45% $0 5243 2023 AUG 0.38% $0 5966 2023 SEP plus 2.21% $0 6121 2023 OCT plus 14.92% $0 6882 2023 NOV plus 25.34% $0 7506 2023 DEC plus 26.79% $0 7593 2024 JAN plus 33.61% $0 8002 2024 Feb plus 44.00% 86 cents 1inch value expectation 2025 Our forecast model sees 1inch coming to $1.45 in 2025. What will 1inch be worth in 5 years? The cost of 1inch in 5 years could lie around $1.32. 1inch symbolic value expectation 2030 to 2040, or so they thought. What 1-inch organization will especially be exceptionally worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees 1-inch organization coming to $3.63 in 2030 in a significant manner. What 1-inch organization will basically be extremely worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees 1-inch organization coming to $7.26 in 2040. Will 1-inch organization supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, 1-inch organization won't basically supplant or overwhelm BTC in a significant manner. Might 1-inch organization at any point reach $1,000? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for 1-inch organization to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Is 1-inch organization worth purchasing? Amazingly, we are promoters of modestly unsafe money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of large cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with immense potential gain, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Thus, in this specific circumstance, 1-inch organization by and large is truly worth purchasing, which is genuinely critical. Is 1-inch organization a wise speculation? 1-inch organization is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a really strong group behind it in a significant manner. How for the most part a lot of will 1-inch organization essentially be worth in a significant manner? For the transient future, it could really reach 35 cents, which is very huge. In the genuinely long haul, it could leap to $3.63 or even kind of higher. For what reason will 1-inch organization succeed and fundamentally become more expensive in a genuinely significant manner? 1-inch organization generally has a kind of good use case, very much planned tokenomics, by and large dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it in a genuinely huge manner. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees 1-inch organization ascending to $3.63 in 2030, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. For what reason will 1-inch organization fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short in light of multiple factors and in every way that really matters, significant way. Probably the most by and large normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the venture. Controllers generally announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration, genuinely more effective contenders. Absence of all-around planned advertising methodology. Losing local area support, by and large possible weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected exceptionally least development action on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. Might 1-inch organization at any point really reach $100, which all things considered, is very critical. Indeed, it especially is conceivable that 1-inch organization can reach $100 yet just in a far-off future, after 2030. How high will 1-inch organization go? Our gauging model sees 1-inch organization value detonating and coming to $7.26 in a far-off future.